Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to use multiple desktops on a Mac. You can see that I have three applications open and it's not looking clean, right? So I can use multiple desktops to avoid this. Hold on to the control key and the up arrow key at the same time. You'll see the mission control application being opened. Here you can see the desktops you create, and right now I have just two desktops created. If you want to add more desktops, you just have to click on the plus button here. And now I can simply hold on to one of the applications of desktop 1 and put it in desktop 2. Now if I go to desktop 2, I can use this application. And now if I go to desktop 1, I can use these two. Now it's looking much cleaner, right? So this is why we use multiple desktops, and I hope you learned how to use multiple desktops. Thank you.